I just want to address the nation because I could understand that I only have a few more days in the White House. Just very few more days in the White House. And apparently, if you notice, in my surrounding, I don't have my Secret Service around me because I do believe that Joe Biden has brainwashed my Secret Service. He buy them out so I could be all alone into this White House. The incident that happened in the nation capital, they blame me. Nancy Pelosi, that lady, she is a witch. She trying to hunt me for the longest. That Nancy Pelosi, she trying to impeach me for the long time. But as I could say, I spoke with a very unique, a very smartly, and a very bigly person who has taught me to be calm. And she said to me that, Uncle Donald, you don't matter what they're trying to do to you, whether they try to impeach you, implumb you, or even guinea you, it ain't gonna work. I am going to get one of the most bigliest sending off from the White House, and I'm protecting the Capitol and protecting the White House. Let me explain to the nation one more time. I am not leaving to make space for Sleepy Joe. I speak to my advisor, which is Girlie, and she informed me that if it's war Biden wants, let it start. Girlie said that there's a song that's sung by a Jamaican, if let the war start and you see who a gun pop off, and I'm going to do exactly that. It's a Girlie has asked me to gather up some weapon until she arrived, and I went and I get a few weapons that Girlie has asked me. As you can see, these are the weapons that Girlie asked me to bring for her to come to defend the nation and to fight Sleepy Joe and his Uncle Mirage. It is not going to go down like that. You know, at one point, some of my advisor was telling me to just go out smoothly. The transition goes smoothly. But I said, I got to find out from a Girlie first, and Girlie said to me that no, don't go so smoothly. Go very dangerously. If it's war, let we go out with a bang. And you know, there was something that I wanted to show the nation. You know, I was building a wall, but Girlie said it's a lucky thing I was building the wall because the wall come in handy. Hold up. There go Girlie. There go. I wonder if Uncle Donald ready for the wall. Hold up. Secret Girlie's coming. I talk to you soon. Sir, and what kind of thank wall this? Eh? No, you tell Uncle Donald, hold on. Uncle Donald, you tell me now. What you do with machete and fork and pickaxe stick? Me want to ask you one question, Uncle Donald. A farm you go farm? No, me want to know if a farm you a go farm. Me don't tell you no. You see, just because of you and your stupidity, look for me eye. Uncle Donald looking at me, you see that black here, and you can't sit it there. Me see it there. After you tell me, say no, Girlie, you go there go part fight, then me take up for me dumb self, like me retarded, gone out, they gone part fight. I don't know if Democrat, Republican, left wing, right wing, or any kind of wing out there. All me know say somebody swing and see it at the result. But look, no. Uncle Donald, put on it. Show them way for me. Show them the way. A weapon you want gun and bomb. Them you same thing you with. You know what? Me done with it. Show them where. Show them where. Oh, Miss Girlie, you know, when you said weapon, that is the closest thing, you know, I could find. So, you know, if I could call some of my friends, I got friends bigly friends in some places that I can get weapon. I can get some weapon, so you don't worry about weapon. It is a lease. I have few allies and few, probably I can call Putin. Yeah, Putin. Yeah, over there, and Putin can give me some weapon. Don't worry, girl. I can get rid of this. I can get rid of this. They gone. As you can see, girlie, this is the wall. I know, I was trying to build the wall to keep out the Mexicans, but now the wall that I'm finally trying to finish up, I'm going to finish it up to keep out Sleepy Joe from entering the White House with his entourage. They say that, I messed the White House up. I'm the one who disintegrated the White House, but no, Sleepy Joe is going to be the one who destroy the White House. I did not survive. I am building a barrier so nobody can come over the barrier. Me and girlie is going to be behind the barrier. So when the war come, you don't have to go through the wall to get to me. Me purse, me not leave my purse because me have something dangerous in there. Look ya, go in the tank. Go in the tank. No, but let me tell you again. Don't worry, girlie. I will go into the tank. I will go into the tank for my protection. Thank you. I'm going in the tank. Don't worry. A duck. Make sure you go to the tank, you duck. No, you don't got to worry. Look, I'm going down. I'm going down. This tank is bulletproof. There's no weapon, no bomb, no gun, no bullet can penetrate this tank. And look, in the tank now come out. Let me tell you something. Me hear how you talk. And you tell people say how much you want red carpet to come out and how much you want 21 gun salute. Well, let me tell you something. Me no want around you when you get the 21 gun salute. 20 bullets might lick you, and the one kill me dead on it. Me no want it. Stay far from me when you get it. You hear that before you come out peacefully. And you are asked with 21 gun salute. They might shoot you with the 21 shot. You see, like how they can't get you to impeach you. They might shoot you. Come out, stay down. No come out. No come out. Wait, mistake I say if anybody come. Duck, Uncle Duck! Alright.